Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the Touring Experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and I'm honored to be your Spanish teacher. Today, you'll learn the two ways to ask questions and the most useful question words in Spanish. Knowing how to ask questions in Spanish is extremely useful when traveling. It's essential for making your way around and shopping, and it's also a great way to learn new things and meet new people. In following lessons, I will teach you exactly how to ask for directions and buy stuff. But first, you need to learn the basics of how questions are constructed in Spanish. Unlike in English, questions in Spanish neither make use of auxiliary verbs, nor they invert the order of the words. If your question can be answered sí or no, then you only need to add question marks to a statement and raise the pitch of your voice at the end of it to make it a question. ¿Está lloviendo? ¿Está lloviendo? Este es nuestro hotel. ¿Este es nuestro hotel? Note that we add an upside-down question mark in front of all questions. To type this character on your English keyboard, on a Mac, press the Option key, Shift, and the question mark key. On a PC, hold down the Alt key while you type 0191 on your numeric keyboard. If you're asking for information and you want an answer beyond sí or no, then you need to use a question word. Take a look at the most common Spanish question words. ¿Por qué? ¿Cuándo? ¿Dónde? ¿Cómo? ¿Qué? ¿Cuál? ¿Quién? ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántas? ¿Cuáles? ¿Por qué quieres aprender español? ¿Cuándo es nuestro viaje a México? ¿Dónde hay un banco? ¿Cómo se dice en español? ¿Qué es eso? ¿A qué hora sale el siguiente autobús? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? ¿Quién es el gerente del hotel? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? ¿Cuántos días vamos a estar en la Ciudad de México? ¿Cuántas horas hace el autobús de Guadalajara a Querétaro? ¿Cuáles son tus ciudades favoritas de México? Notice that all of these question words have an accent mark on them. You can also use these words in a statement if you remove their accent mark. ¿Cuándo vamos al cine? Cuando termines tu tarea. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Challenge them to learn with you. Let us know if you have any questions regarding the topic and what you'd like to learn next. Don't forget that we have a gift for you. To help you get started in Spanish the right way and interact with the locals during your next trip abroad. To download it for free, just click the link in the description below. Our gift for you for being here. And subscribe to our channel for weekly Spanish lessons, travel videos and tips, cultural information, and more. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana.
Esa voz que me dice no puedo escuchar, abrazar.